eating. Eh. Oh, again, can you please explain what you made? Yes, is there something? None? Okay. Which one did Ethan say is okay? Is what? Oh, which then? That one, I'll take picture. What? Oh, I'm taking video. What do you want to say to Gabby?
Hi, Daddy. We miss you so much. Get well soon. Himu.
Okay.
Ako, wag mo akong kunin na.
Hindi naman. Sila lang.
One. You're here like that.
Yummy.
Three,
Oh.
Bina.
Look. Mm. It's okay. This is a video. Video of you eating. Eh. Oh, again, can you please explain what you made?
A lollipop.
Okay, how about you?
I made a hockey with mustard and a lollipop.
You, Ayo. Oh, wow. You give two? Okay. Yes, no. Yes, is there something? None, okay. Yeah, what you approve, I will approve. None. Have you made up your mind? Yeah.
Which one? Here, one.
Which one? Which one did Ethan say is okay? Yeah, because we'll only get the one that Ethan says is okay. Is what? Is it allowed? Is it okay or no, Ethan? Is it okay? Which one? That one. Okay. Oh, which one, baby?
Did I get enough coins?
Yeah, when you have enough points, that's why.
Did I?
We will count at home. Yeah, but which one do you like so we know? That one? You point so I can take picture. Or this one? I'll take picture of the one. That one? Okay, I'll put it back na din. That one, I'll take picture. Click. Okay. Oh, what else?
Only one is okay.
Or two. That one, oh, I'll take picture. 1, 2. Point to it, baby. Look here. Chick. Oh, okay. Oh, you get enough points. Yeah. Is it yummy? Can you show me? What? Yeah. Let's wait for Tita.